colleagues, I'm from Kano State. And my name is Comrade Aminu Suleiman. I represent Pegi Federal Constituency. Mr. Speaker, sir, going through the paper order this morning, I said to myself that the House under Femi Gbajabiamila will further make history today. I said this because in all our attempts to strengthen and deepen democracy, as far as I'm concerned, this is about the first approach that this House is going to take and that will liberate Nigerians and those who are interested in party politics and electioneering to use the opportunity of their right as given by the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. As it is today, in most cases, I did not say in all, in most cases, aspirants are subjected to the caprices of godfathers. And because political parties in Nigeria are mostly not ideologically based, people are forced to align themselves with a party and political party officials whose ideology is alien to some Nigerians. And no matter how popular you may be with your people, it will only take the pleasure of some powerful individuals, very few in most cases, within the party, for you to get approval of the party to be fielded. And that is why we have come to a situation where, even though what the courts are doing are legally and constitutionally right, but in my opinion, in some cases, absolutely wrong, where people elect a candidate and the court will remove the candidate and give the people a choice that is not theirs. This, I mean, is usually caused by party officials who refuse to conduct primaries and anoint candidates, in the process giving courts the powers to now appoint a leader that was not ab initio elected by the people. I have no doubt in my mind that this bill, it's a bill because it's an alteration, will receive overwhelming support of this House, and it is also my belief that our colleagues in the Red Chamber will give it accelerated hearing and support so that pressures will be mounted on the biller to sign the bill, and let us try this thing in 2023 as a commencement of our journey into proper democracy. I dub my heart for Honorable Mongonu, and I join him in this struggle, and I want to be part of this history. Thank you, Honorable Speakers.
Thank you. Is anyone who wants to speak against the bill?